to the last person who is the national officer. We are all in it together. However, I'll provoke you to what you have not wanted to say. People may have not seen Samura Kamara within all these talks we're doing. Samura Kamara, as of this moment, is not an executive member.
I would never have mentioned him.
Okay, that will pause from that point.
Okay, so what I want to ask is this really a party thing, or not the chairman propagating his interest in becoming a flag bearer?
I think I was asked this question again this morning at Liberty. One thing I want to say is that I have known Honorable Alhaji Minkelu Mansari for over 10 years or 13 or 14 years uninterruptedly. He's somebody who I have seen and I've known over the years that if he wants to go for this, he will go for it straightforward and he will not find any corny or foxy way of going to it. When he wanted to run for the flag bearer position in 2018, he came up publicly said, I'm running for the position of flag bearer. When Samuel Gawa was selected, he supported him. In 2023, he had the whole opportunity again to run for flag bearer. But he says, no, I am not going for flag bearer. I am going for the national chairman of the party. He ran and he won. And now he has said it unequivocally at all the places we visited that he had been at the helm of affairs. He is ready to maintain a fair balance and a level playing field for all potential candidates who are vying for the standard bearership of our party. That you have an equal playing field for all and sundry, and that he is ready to give that mantle to a responsible person who will take us to State House or past our expectation, and that we're now managing exactly how we can continue with this serious or high turnover. I will tell you true, there is no district this, and the answer is simple. Everybody in Sierra Leone belongs to a constituency, to a house, if we are divided within ourselves.